6. Instant replay naman, presented to us by Santa Ana Park sa aksyon.
Pato.
Oh, where they go. Bap, Nuke didn't waste time at the start of the race on Love Kuto to grab the early lead. Red Diamond in second alongside Gang Ho, then followed over by Classic Royale. Holy King moving up by getting the widest strip as they make the first turn. We have Engedi, then followed over by High Passion, Deep Rising, and next in line is Air the Truth. Words of Joy third last. Second last we have Bobon Lancer, and Iris Smile is running at the tail of the field with an opening break of 16.5. As they will down the back, I like the way Love Kuto is traveling in at this stage of the race, maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Red Diamond in second, and about 8 lengths back into the Gang Ho, moving up by the Holy King, doing 24 on the second quarter. Inside the last 500, Love Kuto traveling well okay, maintaining a 3 lengths lead now. Red Diamond remains in second, Holy King now in third by another 4 lengths as they race the final corner. And it's still Love Kuto doing 24 on the third quarter once again. Inside the last 250, Love Kuto with Bap Nuke still with double wrap in front, this time by about 4 lengths. Holy King in second and Red Diamond. And it's still Love Kuto and Holy King, but it's too little, too late. It's going to be Love Kuto, Holy King, Red Diamond. Third, we have Bobon Lancer, and number 4, that's